A very warm welcome to this, the first film in our Flat Roofs series. In it, we look at the key characteristics of flat roofs and how they differ from pitched roofs. Just like a pitched roof, a flat roof is the uppermost part of a building. German standard DIN 276 construction costs, building construction, makes no distinction between pitched and flat roofs, and so the systematic subdivision of cost group 360 roofs into roof constructions, roof openings, roof coverings, and roof cladding applies to them both. If you think back to our series on pitched roofs, you will remember that roofs with a pitch of less than 10 degrees are referred to as flat roofs. All the roof shapes you can see here have a pitch of 10 degrees or less and are therefore flat roofs regardless of their shape. The one shown on the far right is called a butterfly roof and is commonly found on prefabricated constructions built during the GDR era. You should also be familiar with this image and the principle it illustrates. There are two different ways of keeping water out of a building. A pitched roof diverts water by carrying it away from the building. Water collects on flat roofs, and they therefore require a barrier to prevent it from penetrating the building. The need for this barrier means that flat roofs have to be waterproofed or damp-proofed. Waterproofing is a term you will already know from everyday life. A water bottle has to be able to stop the contents from leaking out while it's in your bag, for example, and the water shouldn't be able to seep out of this bath while you are enjoying a relaxing soak. Providing a flat roof which acts as a sort of collecting tank with a barrier against water also includes the managed removal of water. Baths have a plug hole through which water can be emptied conveniently and safely. Following the same principle, a flat roof has managed draining points called drains or rainwater inlets. Summary. Just like a pitched roof, a flat roof is the uppermost part of a building. Roofs with a pitch of 10 degrees or less are referred to as flat roofs. Unlike pitched roofs, flat roofs cannot simply divert water. For this reason, they need a barrier in the form of waterproofing to prevent moisture from penetrating the structure below. Why not take a look at the second film in our Flat Roofs series? In it, we look at the key characteristics of flat roofs.